there guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I wanted to revisit the iPhone XR that was Amazon renewed, and basically this phone I purchased recently. I did make a video on it. If you want to check that out, I'll leave a link. And basically got this for $364, iPhone XR 64 gig black unlocked. Purchased this from a seller called HybridIT. Now for the most part this phone is in fantastic shape. There is one scratch on the screen here. The housing itself is in immaculate condition, no dents or dings or anything like that, and the back is also in good shape. Battery on this has 87% health. Now my only problem with this phone was the fact that the adhesive on the side was kind of sticking out right here. As you can see right here, a little piece of the adhesive is kind of sticking out here. Now if you run your finger along it, you can feel it. And what this is this is the watertight seal of the phone. So this kind of worried me that this is no longer watertight and that if this was exposed to any water, it would be compromised. Now you can kind of see a little bit of the same thing at the top right here. And normally on a black phone, you would use black gasket around it so that it would match. But they used a white one here, and I think that's why it was a little bit more noticeable. Now, I did ask on Twitter what people thought, and the majority of people said to go ahead and return it and buy another one based on that. So that is what I ended up doing. So in today's video, I want to unbox this one and compare it to the previous one and see if there are any issues with this one itself. So this one is from a different seller. I purchased this one from Chubbiestech. And this one was $4 more, so this was $368. Same thing, iPhone XR 64 gig black unlocked and in renewed condition. So again, the renewed is 90-day warranty with 80+% battery life. And then if you get renewed premium, that is going to be a little bit more money, but you get a 1-year warranty and you get 90% plus on your battery health. So let's go ahead and unbox this one and we'll compare the two and see which one is better. Alright, so right out of the gate, this is completely different than the previous one. So this one actually has an Amazon renewed white box. We do get a case with this, which is nice. We get a little label, packing slip telling us what we bought. I'm not going to show that because it has my address on there. We also get a little pamphlet saying welcome to the club here. This tells you what's included. Welcome to the club from Chubbiestech right there. Tells you if you're returning the device what to do. And tells you what to do when you get the device and gives you some support information there, which is really nice. So already that's a pretty good experience. We get this little pamphlet here. It says, "Hi there, I'm your new Amazon Renewed device. Nice to meet you. Thank you for shopping with Amazon Renewed. You're covered. It gives you support information, better for the planet, your opinion matters, and more ways to enjoy Amazon Renewed." So already a very interesting experience. So if you remember the previous one, that one just included a plain white box, phone, charger, cable, and SIM card tool. So this one includes a lot more for just $4 more. So it may just vary based on seller. Well, let's go ahead and unbox it and see how the phone looks. All right, so here's our box here. So this is Amazon Renewed on all the corners right there, nothing crazy. Does have the phone information right there. And we should be able to just pop this out here. Then we get another plain white box. And we get our phone itself here in a sleeve. So we'll put that off to the side. We get a SIM removal tool right up top here. SIM removal tool. We get a generic charger here, most likely 5 watts. Let's open that up and take a look here. This is a cool pad charger and probably 5 volts. Yeah, so it's just a 5-volt regular charger, cool pad, and then we get a generic Lightning to USB-A charger right here in the box. We also get a screen protector in here. So they also give you a glass screen protector, which is really nice. So they give you a screen protector and a case from this seller. That's really, really nice. All right, now I can already tell that this one is a little bit better as far as the seal here. So I do notice some scratching up at the very top. Probably not going to be very easy to show on camera, but I will pop up a picture here if you can't see it here. But going along the screen here, you can see there's no scratches just on the top right up here at the corner, but the seal itself is just fine. So I don't see anything sticking out, so it looks like it is perfectly intact, which is exactly what I wanted. So that is good. Taking a look at the housing itself, you can see the housing is in really, really good shape. No scratches, no dents, no scuffs. On the bottom here, everything is nice and clean. So the lightning, the speakers, everything is really clean. There's a little void sticker right there. So if you do decide to open it yourself, you'll void the warranty that you have with them. But even on this side, everything is in perfect condition right here. On the back, the glass on here looks really, really good. There are 2 little scratches on the back of the glass right here. But of course, most of the time you're gonna have a case on this anyway, but everything else looks absolutely perfect. Everything is in really, really good shape. So I'm really pleased with this. And of course, the thing I was looking at was just the adhesive itself on here. So here's the old one, here's the new one. So as you can see, the adhesive right there just sticking out. This one does not have that problem at all. And you can even see from the side here, if you look close enough, you can see the adhesive just sticking out on the side of that other one. So let's go ahead and turn it on and let's see what our battery health is on this one. All right, the version we have here, this one came with 14.1, so it does need to be updated. And then as you can see, again, this one is 64 gigs, and out of the box we get 55.29 gigs free of space. All right, now you guys may remember the previous iPhone XR that I got. That one had 87% battery health. The new one we just got here, this one has 100% battery health, so that is really nice to see. So it looks like they did give us a new battery. Now another thing I'll check here is I did see that Face ID does work, so that did actually work. We can check our camera here, and we have our video camera, we have our photos. We can go along right here and see that that works, and then you can see me here. So that works perfectly fine. So like I said, the only scratches I see on here are at the very top. Overall, I think it's in a really, really good shape. I'm really impressed that the battery life is 100%. But not only that, you get a glass screen protector as well as a case with it. So that's really nice. You get these extras in there in the box so that you can have your phone fully protected when you get it. Alright, so I did speak to the person this was going to go to, and I did show them the phone here, and unfortunately they decided that they did not want to keep the phone because of the scratches in the corner, which I'll show you again real quick here. Now the scratches on the back wouldn't be a big deal because that's going to be covered with a case, but on the front, on the glass, on the screen, that is not going to work for them, so I totally understand. So this one unfortunately will be going back along with the one that had the adhesive issue. Unfortunately, when you buy renewed or refurbished, that's kind of one of those things that happens, but hopefully we can get another one that is in decent condition that is acceptable for them. Other than that, I really do appreciate what this seller included. They did include the case, a screen protector, the cable, charger, SIM eject tool, and it just looked really, really professional, so I do appreciate that. But anyway, guys, this is just a quick look at this second iPhone XR Amazon renewed, and if I get a third one, I'll definitely make another video and give you guys an update. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this quick video on this second iPhone XR from Amazon renewed. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did like the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more like this, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video.